Imagine a city that was bombed not once or twice, but an astounding 26 times. That's what happened to Cologne during World War I. Join us as we uncover the reasons and impacts of this tragic event. During World War II, the Allies targeted Cologne due to its industrial importance. The city was bombed in 262 separate air raids by the Royal Air Force RAF, with only one raid conducted. Unsuccessfully. The first bombing of Cologne occurred on May 17, 1940. By the spring of 1945, over 90% of the city center had been destroyed. The bombings not only devastated infrastructure but also reduced Cologne's population from over 750,000 to less than that number by the end of War I. The city's iconic landmark, the Cologne Cathedral, survived over 200 air raids. A remarkable feat considering the extent of damage elsewhere in the city. These bombings had profound implications for post-war reconstruction and the psychological impact on its citizens, shaping how Cologne rebuilt itself into a modern European city. The story of Cologne during WRSS NH and WWSS grade. The story of Cologne during War I highlights the immense destruction caused by air raids and the resilience required for recovery. This history serves as a somber reminder of the human cost of war. What impact do you think these bombings had on modern-day Cologne? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this interesting, consider subscribing for more historical insights.